For number 7, it's just a matter of recognizing what the equation of a circle in general looks like. So here, I notice that the y is just kind of on its own being squared, so it may help you to rewrite that, so the x minus 4 getting squared. If you wanted to, you could say that the y, well, nothing has been subtracted, so a y minus 0 before it got squared, and that equals 5. So from that, I see an x minus 4 and say a y minus 0. So that tells me my center has an x-coordinate of positive 4 and a y-coordinate just of 0. So that's taken care of. For the radius, remember that in the equation, this 5 is the radius after it has been squared. So my radius after squaring ended up equaling 5. So I need to take a square root to figure out the original radius. The original radius was the square root of 5, which is approximately 2.2. That gives me my radius. Remember, the 5 in the equation is after we squared the radius. The original radius was 2.2.